Hello audience, in this video I will explain how to transfer photos from Android to Windows using latest methods, which is USB cable and other one is Google Photos. So first of all, connect your mobile phone to your PC using a USB cable. Make sure your phone is unlocked and you set your mobile phone to file transfer, not only charging. After this you will be able to transfer your photos. Type on your then go to photos, type photos in your Windows search bar, and you will be able to see option of import from your phone. So you are looking here that I have connected Galaxy S22 and my gallery is visible here. So you can select your photos and transfer to, you can select these all and select anyone and transfer to your PC very easily. After this you will be able to see your photos in your PC. And second option is, you have in your browser, type in photos.google.com and you will see all your gallery is loaded here. So you can transfer your photos very easily. If you have thousands of photos, you can transfer within few minutes. If you like this video, please subscribe and give me a like. Thank you very much.